I'm wrapping up a project moving over 100 domains, and I'm finishing off here with my own, and I want to show you how easy this is. Now, I just installed a brand new copy of WordPress on a different host. I use Scriptaculous or Softaculous, but of course I haven't changed DNS yet. So if I go to my domain, what I see here is my old blog. That's where editing your host file comes in. So I just went and added this line. It's the IP address of my new server along with my domain, then a copied version of the same thing. I'm going to save that host file. Now when I go back here and I refresh, I should be right at an empty installation. Yep, there I am at an empty installation, brand new of WordPress. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And as you can see, it's a brand new installation of WordPress, no plugins at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go add a new plugin. And I let me correct that. I love the all-in-one WP migration plugin. It is so easy. All you have to do is install it, activate it, and then down here on the left, we've got import. Now, before I started this video, I went to my live blog and I did an export. So I'm going to go through that process real quick just on this new one so you can see how easy it is. I'm going to export this to a file. It goes through. This is going to go so quick because it's a brand new blog. So this is a 4 meg file. So I'm not going to download that because this is my clean blog. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go to import. I'm going to import from, and all I have to do is drag up the previous install. I downloaded a backup of my live blog before I changed my host file. Now, this particular blog is over 512 megs, and I used the free version of the plugin. I do have the, for anything larger than 500 megs, you do have to use the paid version. So I'm going to close that. Now I'm going to add from an upload my premium version. Just install that real quick. Activate the plugin, and now down here I can go to import. I can drag up this 540 meg file, and I'm not going to make you sit and watch through this. I'm just going to go ahead and pause. Then it warns you that this is an irreversible process, and you hit continue. That's when it goes through some more gyrations. That's it. And I should see a message here telling me that's it. There's the message. They tell you to go to the permalink settings page. You'll probably have to log in again. Yep, there's my original splash screen. There's the permalinks. Save, and then they tell you to save twice, so why not pay attention to the instructions? That's it. The site should be up. It is. Now I can go back to my hosts file and take this out. At this point, I would be looking at if I refreshed, I'm looking at the old server, and all I have to do is change my DNS. If you don't know how to edit your host file, if you do a search for edit host file video, there are a few videos, and I've actually got one myself. If you search for edit host file video Scott Henderson, you'll see it right there. It's pretty quick, short, to the point. And the plugin that I used is all-in-one WP migration. I cannot say enough good things about it. That's it. Have an optimal day.